And all right, Grace, tell them what you got.
This is the bread that we made with the...
Tell them what you got, what you really, really got, what you really, really got, what you got, what you got, what you really, really got, what you got, what you got, what you really, really got. Okay, with that, go ahead.
This is the...
Hey, Gracie. Okay, go ahead. And action. Okay, go. How's that bread going?
This is the finished part of the...
bread making process.
Bread making process.
How hot is it? Can you pick it up and show them one? Pick up that one right there, yeah. Show them.
This one is actually...
Okay. Turn to the bottom. So everybody see the bottom. Okay. We just literally took it out of the oven. Alrighty. Tell everybody, thank you very much. The bread is now finished.
Thank you very much. The bread is now finished.
It smells so good.
I want a piece.
Oh, I want a piece more than you want a piece.
I want a piece.
I want a piece first.
I want a piece.
I want a piece. I want a piece. I want a piece.
Jinx.
Jump a jinx.
Oh.
Gracie, Gracie, Gracie. That's right. Don't mess with the bread. The bread is now done. Look at that. You guys stay with us for the whole bread. The bread is done. The bread is done. Yes, the bread is done. What do you think of the bread, everybody? All right, Gracie, and you did a great job, sweetheart. High five. Another bread. We did cookies and bread, and
Hey, can I show
we need to make strawberry pie. And we got fresh corn on the cob that's over on the stove.
These are
Look, this came out of the garden, in case you all want to know. That is fresh corn on the cob. Came out of our garden. It's all organic. The cookies from yesterday.
Cookies. I want to have one.
There we go. All right. Well, thanks everybody. So the cookies and bread are done.
If you want us to make you some bread,
No! Everybody and their brother will want free bread. Okay, I gotta go. My phone's ringing.